So in our last lecture, we learned about how to create Angular 6 app and how we can run this app into the browser using Angular CLI ng-serve command. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to learn about a Webpack. What is Webpack and how Webpack works to create bundles. Okay, so let's flip to the Visual Studio Code where we have the logic of Angular, basically Angular project. So we can see here our project is running over the browser. So let's do some changes, the small change to the message of this welcome to Angular app. So let's do some changes. Welcome to, I appending the word my Angular app. Okay, so I'm saving this file, and when I save this file, save this file after changing the message, then you can see a message compiling. So there is a tool that is called Webpack. Webpack basically build our application immediately when I save these changes. I mean, when I save the message from old to new message, and the Webpack compiled all the files immediately uh, and build the bundles. Okay, so Webpack basically what it does, it gets all the scripts, styles and script files and bundle into basically bundle them and minifies them. Okay, Webpack creates some bundles. You can see here the main.js, the polyfill.js, the style.js, the vendor.js. So let's move to the slide, and we can see here basically Webpack basically used for building bundling. Okay, so the first one is polyfill.bundle.js. So this polyfill.bundle.js basically fills the gap between the JavaScript version used by the current browsers and the JavaScript version used by the current the Angular app. So second one is main.bundle.js. So main.bundle.js means it contains all the logic. It bundles all the logic or the source code written by developer. Okay, so next one is styles.bundle.js, like styles.js. So this file basically contains all the styles and scripts into them and bundling them. Okay, and next one is vendor.js. This contains all the third-party libraries code and bundle them. Okay, so you would have seen when I save this file immediately, I don't need to change my, I don't need to refresh my browser application over the browser, and it just refreshed automatically. So this is the great feature of Webpack, that is called hot module replacement. So, or reloading. That is called hot module reloading or hot module replacement. I don't need to refresh my browser just to update the changes, just to see the update changes. And when I save any file like JavaScript file, like the TypeScript file, the HTML file, and the style file, style sheet file, when Webpack automatically detects the changes and compile the whole source code, and then the bundling and refresh the browser automatically. Okay, so that is all about Webpack. We learned why we use Webpack and what is hot module replacement, and what are the bundling that Webpack created, and using Angular CLI and all these things. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.